-12. For Thursday, a mix of sun and cloud with
Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
The Environment Canada forecast issued at 1:37 a.m. Sunday, January 20th for tonight, Sunday, and Sunday night. City of Toronto, for tonight, mainly cloudy. A few rain, showers or flurries. Wind west 50 kilometers per hour, gusting to 70. Low -3. For Sunday, mainly cloudy with 40% chance of flurries. Wind west 50 kilometers per hour, gusting